In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop disabled in your 2020 Ford Escape using the Autostop Eliminator. For the installation, we recommend a small flat screwdriver and a small pair of cutting pliers. We begin by locating the data link connector. It's just beneath the edge of the dash on the left side of the driver's footwell area. Once you've located the data link connector, move your focus to the harness plugging into the back side. Disconnect the harness by holding down the release latch while using a small screwdriver to push the connector from the socket. Connect the vehicle harness to the Autostop Eliminator, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the security gateway module. Use the included zip tie to secure the Autostop Eliminator module. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Now that the device is installed, the setting for Auto Start Stop will be remembered and automatically restored. To demonstrate this functionality, we start the vehicle and ensure Auto Start Stop is off using the off indicator on the Auto Start Stop switch. Next, we'll cycle the ignition to show the off preference for Auto Start Stop is automatically restored. We'll turn Auto Start Stop back on to show the on setting is also remembered. After restarting, we see that Auto Start Stop is allowed to remain on. We'll go ahead and turn Auto Start Stop back off and restart one last time. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your 2020 Ford Escape.